Today I'm going to show you how I made a travel-friendly Orton Gillingham style or phonics learning pad to take. I know as homeschoolers we tend to travel a lot and it's hard to do certain work in the back of the car or when you don't have a lot of room. So I created this and I'll tell you how I made it. First, you want to go get a magnetic whiteboard, and then you want to print out your Orton Gillingham cards. You've got your vowels that are one color and your consonants that are another color, and then you have all your vowel teams in green and some other ones in purple. These are just some extra things that I made for practice with when we build sentences. It's not really part of the regular system, but I added them in there. Now I made printout sheets with all of these on them, and I'll put a link in the description so you can print them out yourself if you want to. But basically there'll be an 8.5 by 11 sheet with a lot of these on it, and once you print it out you just laminate the entire sheet in plastic laminate, and when you cut them out you just put a little magnet on the back and then it just sticks right to the board and it won't fall off while you're traveling. So then the kids can build words and they don't have to worry about losing them. So you just build words as you want. And they're pretty sturdy too, since they're laminated. Or you can take a lot of them off and build whole sentences and use your punctuation. It's a fairly inexpensive project and it really comes in handy, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you have fun building words. Thank you.